So what I'm going to do for you in this video, I'm going to show you that when you're promoting a program like Save Club or any other similar Powerline system that you've no doubt seen before with the likes of Live Good and Got Backup, etc., as you will well know, you're not allowed to spam or purchase leads or traffic. So what you do need to do to save your account getting suspended or even banned, okay, you need to be using an alternative system. Ideally, a capture page and landing system that does all the heavy lifting for you, that you can use for not only just this program, for example, but any single primary business of your choice. And if something happens, you need to switch. It really is simple. So let's show you what I'm going to be recommending, and let's show you how easy it is to use it for any program of your choice. Okay. Now, the one I'm going to be recommending today is one I've mentioned before in one of our previous videos, is one called mycapturepage.com. I think it's been around for several years, and with a company that's been around for several years, you know it's a good thing. They've got custom capture pages for many of the big well-known companies, and they've also got sort of generic pages that you can use for anything. Save Club, they've got one that's specifically made for Save Club. As you can see, big, earn big, escape the grind. Discover how thousands are saving money and building residual income without sponsoring or selling anyone. And that goes to a very good landing page as well, and which is all pre-built with their own videos they put in place, so it's all ready to go. And they've also got a pre-built email autoresponder built in, all the links attached to you, and it goes out, and the deliverability is very high. So that's fantastic. So they've also got things like generic pages. This is one of their generic pages. Dream lifestyle, easier than you think, nice and eye-catching, nice and bold, no mention of any company, etc. Now you can attach this to any program. Now, once again, I've actually linked this to Save Club in this example. You can use it for anything. So when people drop in their details there, what it does, it drops into a thank you page there. The dream lifestyle can be yours now, easier than you think. And when they click on this, as you can see, it's all pre-done, ready to go. Your supportive sponsor, myself there. A few little words and links to social media, and get a site like this. But if they hit the Take the Tour Now button, as you can see, it takes it through to the Save Club landing page, which is they're doing as well. They put all these videos in. Great thing about their landing pages is you notice they're not YouTube, okay? Things about YouTube landing pages, they are very effective. They load quickly and things like that. But if you were to pause it for any reason and want to go back, the minute you pause a YouTube video, you might notice you get all these other suggestions and recommendations come up. And at the end of the video, you get the same thing. That gives people the opportunity to click away from that website and maybe be shown somebody else's website. And you can do all the hard work, and then somebody else takes all the credit. Okay, so they've got those landing pages there, and like I said, they've got their own pre-built pages, or they've got the Guru pages. So how do you go about assigning it? It's so simple to do. So as you can see, you've got these capture pages here. Okay, and you've got a lot of company-specific ones that are being made for well-known brands and successful things like that. But let's say you want to link a different one to it. Okay, so as I'm pulling up some examples here. I've got Premium Guru #1, generic BizOp. And when that's clicked on, that looks like that. It's a lovely page, nice and eye-catching. Life is for living, not for working. Shockingly simple system that you've never seen before. Okay, start making money online now. Our proven system works for anyone. It's easier than you think. Great page. So what you do is you go back to this, and you can see it's Premium Guru #1. You can edit the page here. If I go over to, I'm already into the back office here. You can only get to this via the members area. It says Premium Guru #1, as you can see, and then if I hover over that, it says enter your company affiliate link here. Start with obviously the HTTP or HTTPS. So if I was to drop over to, let's have a look. Let's go into Got Backup, for example, and I've got their new sort of promo down here. Got Backup's quite well known. It's been around for a little while. So let's just say I'm going to drop that into there. I'm going to come down and I'm going to save those changes there. Okay, so just save those changes, let that refresh. So then once that's in there, I've now linked that page to what it's told me to do. I'm going to drop a name there, and I'm going to drop one of my emails that I use for testing purposes. Then I'm going to click on show me the video here, and hopefully that's going to go straight through. Now, as you can see, the dream lifestyle could be yours now, better than you think. And we're going to click on that. Take me to the whole video. As you can see, as predicted, what it has done, it's taken me through to the Got Back Up tour page, which I showed you about. See how easy that was? I just simply picked a page from over here. I picked out the generic one, which is just gone off screenshot. It took me through to that page. I linked it to it, and it's taken me straight to there. So straight away, that's given me an opt-in for Got Backup, which I can use just as easily as any program of my choice. Okay, so you can use this for any business. Now, if you go into the capture pages themselves, as you can see, then you've got these guru ones, premium ones. These are also generic ones, generic BizOps, generic health, etc. And then you've got this sort of work from home generic page you can use for anything. And then when you come down further, as you can see, they're used for great companies as well. You've got the Great Life Worldwide, Nexus Rewards, 3 different Live Good ones there, etc. So all these pages, and you can use as many capture pages at once as you want. There's no limit to the amount of pages you can use at any one time. They've all got their own pre-formatted and pre-built email sequence with your links built in automatically. So work-wise, because people these days are, they're a lot, say, lazier, then that's probably the right word. They're a lot lazier than they used to be. They want it easy. They want it simple. You want ease of duplication. Now, I use programs such as Leads Leap, and Leads Leap is very effective for building funnels and making follow-up sequences and making videos, etc. And then you can utilize the share codes there, where when you use share codes, obviously you can give that out to someone like a team member or anybody else like that. They can import that funnel into their Leads Leap account, which is great, don't get me wrong. But they still then got to go through automatically and then update everything. They've got to go, if they've got several sort of join now buttons or go here to the next page buttons, there's no shortcut to that, because when the funnel comes in, it's obviously got the person that shared that funnel with you has got all their information inside those buttons. So you need to be able to update that with yourself. So you have to go through and edit all the buttons and change the links over to yours, etc. It's a fairly straightforward process, but it is still time consuming. Now, when you've got the likes of, say, systems like the My Capture Page one, it becomes very, very easy, because in your back office you've got the list of programs and you've got the list of links, as you saw that I showed you on that other page, and you literally just assign each URL to that one, which is exactly what I did for this page here. I went through, found the respective number for that page, put the link of I'm going to try this one with the same club as well. It just gives you a completely different promo page, and that takes them through to that landing page there. Thank you for completing the form, a little information about myself, so you're building that trust factor. Take the tour, it takes it to their landing page there, which is really professionally put together. You can't click away. It shows you an introduction video, then you've got the general video from the CEO, and then you've got the compensation plan. They can click there to get the PDF of the compensation plan. You've got the opportunity overview, which is a bit more in depth, which is brilliant for really sort of helping close people that come through, because you get all the real details that they need. And then you've got a product demo as well, and how a little Power AI is doing the work for you as well. And then you've got Don't Wait, take the next step and visit our website. So you've got all this instead of, and that obviously takes you through to the Save Club websites that we were talking about. And this is why it's so much better, because when you think about it, if you've got, when you're out, say if you're serving Traffic Exchange and you keep seeing this page, and the only difference is it's not my name at the top, it's somebody else's name, and there's nothing different. So there's no reason why should you join this person just because you happen to see that page. You might get lucky and somebody might say, hey, yeah, I like the look of this, I'm going to drop on there. But 9 times out of 10, they'll watch the video, they like the look of this, and they'll probably then jump over to somewhere like YouTube and look for some other people that are promoting, some other review videos, etc. And you've caught their attention because you've seen this with this page, but they end up joining somebody else. But when they come through a funnel such as this, and they've seen a different capture page, the company's telling you to use different pages to send traffic to and things like that, they're going to pique an interest, and that's what's going to encourage somebody to join with you rather than somebody else. Because you'd always ask yourself, when you're doing some promotional content, when you're putting work out there, don't just sort of bang these links out that everybody else is doing. Try and find a reason why people want to join with you rather than somebody else. And when you're using the likes of, say, my capture page, etc., let's just say, for example, something happened drastically wrong and Save Club vanished in 6 months' time, which is more than possible. You could have done all this work in, say, inside Lead Sleep or another big sort of funnel page creator. You could do all this work, the company could go down, and then what happens, you've got to say a new one pops up. Let's just say, for example, let's just find a big brand. Let's just say Nexus Rewards hadn't been around and it suddenly pops up. And this is the new big thing. So what you've got to do then, people will just join it and then throw the links out there. But if you've got someone that's built the funnels, etc., you've got to start all over again, doing it all over again, and either make a completely new funnel or see if you can change the funnel you've got. When you've got a program like this that makes it so easy to do, you would just come in here, see if they've already got a page for it. If they haven't got a page for it, you could grab one of their generic pages and link your opportunity to that. Straight away, you're going to get a generic email follow-up series which ties in with that page. So when I utilize that page, straight away I've got an email coming out that is in line with that page but fits any business opportunity whatsoever. Okay, so all the work's done for you. It's immediately different. It's professional looking, professionally put together, and that's what you need. You need to be standing out from the crowd. You need to make yourself different, and also you need to be doing something that makes life sort of simpler. You don't want all the heavy lifting involved, and this really is straightforward. You just get on board. It's low cost. It's only $29.95 a month. There's no sort of a massive affiliate program by bringing in people and building trees and compensation plans. But what they do say is if you bring 3 people under you and they stay active, those 3 people across any month, and once you've got at least 3 people active, there's nothing to pay for. Okay, so you get it completely free. So that's another great incentive, and all they need to do is just when you go to join, you'll see this sort of page here. Get a page like this. Please list your referrer as, gives sort of my name and my main contact email address for online work, and so they'll ask you for your referrer, and that's all you do. Very, very simple to do, very, very easy to put together. And don't forget what you're getting. You're getting all the capture pages, you're getting the landing pages, you're getting pre-built email series. You're getting so much more. You've got an unlimited autoresponder where you can just, there's no limit. There's none of these sort of AWebers or all the rest of it that increase their fees the more people you get in. Okay, this is unlimited. So it really is so easy to do. I've used it before many years ago, but I was, like anybody else, I was jumping around. When the Save Club come around, I did think about maybe putting my own funnel together inside of Lead Sleep, but I do know how long it takes and how much work it takes and the rest of it. And you also got to think about how much work for the other person to do. It is just a case of important getting the links over, but it still takes time for these people to do that. So you need it easy. This is all completely done for you, which is what you want. And then if you need to change programs, you can change in a heartbeat, and you can, you can promote multiple programs at once. You can use as many capture pages as you like. You can link them to any landing page that you like. It is a case of sort of mix and match, and it makes it very easy to do. There's a ton of setting up videos and getting started videos where they take you through everything, and their support is very, very good, especially their email support. Generally, if you drop their email support a request of some sort or need help on something, it's generally the same day, within a few hours, that you'll get that reply, which is good as well. So that's the sort of today's Save Club opportunity video. Drop any comments or questions below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please hit a like on the video if it's helped you out, and subscribe to that channel. It does help me out. I'm going to continue putting out the Save Club videos. I think they're very, very good, and the Powerline system is very effective, as you know. This is in very early stage. The official launch is only about 3 weeks old. If you watch one of my latest videos on the channel, you'll see the huge updates video, it's called. It's worth sitting down. It's about an hour or so long, but you've got the CEO on there. He's going through all what's coming up over the next sort of month or two, the massive plans he's got for this program, and it's very, very good, very worth watching. There's a lot coming up, with huge potential with the program overall. So I hope you found that useful. I'll continue to do these videos. Next time I'll try not to opt in as many times, and it won't stop me opting in. But hey, in the meantime, guys, whatever you're doing, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers now.